All systems go na ang pag-host ng Pilipinas ng 48th Association of Southeast Asian Nations o ASEAN Summit. Ito ang sinabi ni Presidential Communications Office Secretary Dave Gomez kasabay ng pagbubukas ng International Media Center sa Cebu kung saan gaganapin ang 48th ASEAN Summit and related summits.
This International Media Center, which we open today, is more than just a workspace. It is a strategic hub designed to support and empower your crucial role in covering one of the most significant regional gatherings this year.
Ayon kay Secretary Gomez, nakahanda na sa ASEAN Media Center ang equipped workstations, high-speed internet connection, charging stations, briefing rooms at technical support. Tampok din ang broadcast booths, dedicated stand-up reporting points at centralized master control room.
Through your reporting, the world will understand the outcomes on regional peace and security, economic integration, sustainable development, and our shared commitment to navigating our future together.
Naisagawa ito sa kabila ng adjustments dahil sa krisis sa Middle East. Para sa totoong balita sa Bagong Pilipinas, Harley Valbena ng IBC News para sa 13 sa tanghali ng Congress TV.